Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, so I don't know whether it's the drones or what that you're seeing, but now I've been seeing these things since 2009. About 2009, 2010. Let's say 2009. 2009, you had the planes or whatever. Now, mind you, wasn't that the Obama era where there was drone attacks on other. Okay, so 2009, I used to see planes with white lights on the front, or whatever kind of lights. They used to fly like this, real slow. And then, yeah, so they'd fly like this. They'd fly, and you'd see them in the sky, and they'd fly real, like, they'd shine their light, whether on you or whatever, right? Shine their light on you. Shine a little light on you. So, alright. So we had that in 2009, all the way back then. So if I seen that stuff back in the day in 2009, then let's say 2015 September, all the way till then, when I seen the same things, but on another level, on another scale. I started paying attention to how they started moving and stuff. So these things would move like this. They'd move, and they'd go like this in the sky. Like, let's say it's over here. Yeah. And it was so far. It wasn't that far, though. And they were, I think, coming from Philly, possibly. It looked like it, at least. Maybe Philly, if not something, right? And mind you, I'm in the fields. I'm in fields at that kind of point. And that's another reason why I felt how I uh, felt alone in the world. You know? I felt that a lot of times for whatever reason. So, you're never alone, you got God. Whatever. So, mind you, when I used to see those planes in 2015, 2016, all the way to 2017 and late 2017, they used to fly, right? And they used to fly like a plane would, but they would like have their light almost shine on you, or just shine wherever. They shine wherever. It's all good, it's all good. Stay positive. So when they were shining their light, they'd look in front of them or shine the light wherever. During that time of 2015, 2017, they would glow different lights, different colored lights sometimes. They'd have different colored lights, green, blue, red, a whole bunch of different colors, right? I remember seeing this UFO come over me. It was really, really trippy. It made absolutely no sound, and it went right over the building. Like, I'm being honest. I don't think it was 100 feet. I think it was about 30 feet above the building that I was at, and I'm on a 2-story building. So, like I said, I seen these planes, or whatever you want to call them, with lights. Now, you used to call them planes. Oh, they're just planes. Yeah, now y'all call them drones. Shut the hell up, you stupid mother suckers. Look, so I seen the planes or drones, whatever you want to say, since 2009. You guys didn't notice them because you guys thought they were planes. And I said, look, it's a drone. You said, no, it's not. I said, yeah, the fuck it is. I said it's a lot of things. And I said it was a drone, but you guys didn't believe me. So, mind you, it's now 2015 to 2018. and I seen the planes slash drones with the white lights shine wherever they want to shine, and glowing different colors and doing whatever with that. Glowing different colors. So before y'all say, oh, this is new drone sightings everywhere, these are new. They're not new. They are not new. They've been happening. So if you want to say these drones are new, look at when Obama was in office and how all those countries got attacked by Obama. Just saying, because drones are not new, and those sightings are not new, and you guys should definitely like start waking the fuck up, because I'm tired of waking you up and you never wake up. It's not about waking up, because waking up, you go to a wake. You're waking up. You go into a wake. That means what? That you're going to a funeral, right? Don't do that. Maybe be aware, I guess you could say. Whatever you want to say, but make sure it's positive. Become aware, put on the full armor of God. I don't, that's just my opinion. In fact, I could check it with a master teacher. How about that? I'll get back to you. But for now, where you at? You're late to the party, as per usual. I've been on this since like, you guys are like, oh my god, drones. No, it's been there for a long time. And like I said, when I seen the UFO, that friggin' plane or what, it looked like a plane. Definitely looked like it. But here's the thing. Here's the part where it gets you. Is that when it flew over the building, it looked like a V-shaped plane, right? And I get those are common sometimes, but it was a V-shaped plane, right? And it had green lighting underneath. So mind you, it's green lighting, okay. Little, it's not green lighting all around. It's like green lights on like sectors of the fucking plane. And it flew like 30 feet above the fucking building and made no fucking sound, bro. Mind you, I got a lazy eye, yeah. But don't get it misconstrued. The one-eyed is king in the land of the blind, my good sir. The one-eyed is king in the land of the blind. So, the planes, the drones, they're not new. You're just late. And hopefully you realize with your real eyes that these are real lies in front of you. Hopefully you can do that soon so that we don't have to keep repeating the same patterns of having all this messed up stuff happen, because you guys can't seem to get it straight. You guys are all messed up, negative feelings, talking about the government, talking about politics, talking about Biden versus Trump, talking about how you can't pay your freaking light bills or rent on time. I get it. Because, drugs and alcohol can induce shit. Besides that, you got negative thoughts, negative habit patterns. How much I talk about this in Motivational Gregory or Financial Gregory or Business Gregory, you could actually create a profitable business, but you would rather not even create a business in your free time. You'd rather play video games or do ridiculous things like Netflix, or just not paying attention to what you should do. You should be in the office. But so I don't know, man. It's like, what I'm saying is that those planes, those drones are not new. You're just new to it. They've been here. And honestly, that kind of technology and stuff, or whatever they have, is the whole Tartarian Empire and stuff. That's real. Tartarian Empire and the Great Resets and all that. I'm not saying too much in this video. I don't want to get banned. But yeah, so what you're seeing is just what you're seeing. And you'll see a lot. And you should protect someone like me that protects you guys. And you should definitely like look out for somebody that looks out for you guys. I know I get looked out for, but it's like, you know. Alright. I guess that's it for now. Just wanted to tell you that those planes and drones ain't new. You're just looking at them different now. You're like, oh, look at that. Nah, dude, that's been there, bro. Alright, y'all take it easy. Why I'm saying this too is because I just seen a plane in the sky. I don't have to prove anything to you guys. I know. I'm showing this for proof for the ones that do want to know and like listen. That's not new. I have a witness, Eric. He's cool as shit. He lives on the other side. He's cool. We seen this plane, whatever it was. It's basically like a drone or plane, whatever they have, sitting in the sky with its light on, right? And it's like a plane. It looks like a plane at first. It's coming with its light, and then it's just sitting there, bruh. And it sat there for like 15 minutes while we were talking, just sitting there. The light's just sitting there. And it's changing like different angles and stuff, but it's just sitting there, you know what I mean? You thought it's like a helicopter or maybe a star or something. It's none of that, man. You just snap to it, y'all. He's cool. Y'all gotta become aware, man. Telling you. You guys gonna realize soon, because it's gonna come down to the point where if you don't realize, you're walking into something that you don't want to walk into. And if you do realize, you'll know not to walk into the bullshit. Says the broad road leads to destruction, the narrow road leads to success. So, meaning most people are dumb. Most people are fucking dumb. Most people are broke, busted, and disgusted. Most people don't know shit. That's why knowledge, you have to actually do research rather than watch what they show you. You dig it? Alright, Gregory Bow, O-U-T, G-Bow, for sure. Alright, y'all take it easy. Y'all stay positive. Remember, Yahoo is with you. Remember who you are. Who are you? God is with you. Yahuwah. Who are you? Freaking you out a little bit? Who are you? You are Yahuwah. You have God within you. It says in the Bible, do you not know that you are God? It says in the Bible that we are equal to God. We are children of the Most High. We all come from God. We all come from Source. We all come from God and Source. That makes us what? Alright. Y'all have a great day. God bless. I love y'all. Stay positive. Take it easy. G-Bo, you know who it is. Got y'all back. Y'all should have my back. Y'all don't even talk to me. I get it, but family, friends, I talk to. It's not even a circle. It's like 2 people I talk to, maybe 3. And then I talk to very scarcely anybody else, but it's all good. I'll stick by my lonesome self until I fucking find, at this point, I don't know if I want to find anybody. I don't know, I'll think about it and get back to y'all maybe. Alright, hit me up if you want. Take it easy. Stay positive. And do your best not to go crazy. Don't rage out, because when you rage out, you do stupid stuff, and it just leads to more rage, and it just doesn't help or benefit anybody. Stay away from the drugs and alcohol. And don't listen to the ones that glorify it, because they obviously haven't learned anything yet. And if you haven't done any research, do some research on the truth, not a truth. Once you find the truth, rather than what they say is they'll say the truth is a conspiracy theory. So their definition of their definition of what, how do I say it? Their definition of a conspiracy theory, the bad guys definition of a conspiracy theory and a conspiracy theorist. Conspiracy theory to the bad guys is the truth. A conspiracy theorist to the bad guys is a bad guy. The bad guys think conspiracy theorists are bad guys because they expose the truth. Alright, I'm out, y'all. Y'all stay positive. Take it easy. Jibo out. Learn yo shit.